friends, today we are going to discuss about the foods that cause bloating. Usually people tend to confuse between facial bloating and stomach bloating. And these are totally two different things, friends, and have different reasons for the same. So honestly, facial bloating is cause of dehydration and deficiency of minerals. So friends, let's discuss the cause and science behind morning and you see your face bloated. It is because of dehydration. Our body has a tendency to store water when we get dehydrated. Our kidney excrete more of the water when we are dehydrated, and we don't infuse more of water into our system, then our kidney sends a signal to our brain. Thus, water is retained and we can see our face bloating. So friends, you can say that face bloating is the first symptom of dehydration. But there is another reason which can cause face bloating, and that is more use of unopposed sodium. Unopposed sodium is a salt which doesn't have enough minerals to counter sodium. Common example would be common table salt. So I recommend instead of common table salt, you use pink Himalayan salt or sea salt. Is to maintain balance between sodium and potassium. These two minerals opposed to each other, and once their balance are maintained, you would not retain water in your system. So for that, I recommend 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar in a glass of water in a day. Friends, cream of tartar has enough potassium to counter unopposed sodium and ill effects of it, and thus helping you not to bloat. So now let's talk about stomach bloating. Stomach bloating is generally caused by digestion disorders or gas and fluid accumulation. Generally, it is due to the fact that our stomach is not able to digest some particular food groups known as FODMAP. These sugars and food groups are not digested in our small intestine, and thus they enter into our colon, where they are fermented, which creates bunch of gases, mainly hydrogen and methane, which makes you feel bloated. So which foods we can avoid and what can be done so you don't feel bloated even when you consume these foods? First of all, what are the foods which fall into this food map category? Generally speaking, these are crucifers like cabbage, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, broccoli. Although they have a lot of fiber in them, but these foods should not be eaten raw, as they have a sugar known as raffinose. This raffinose is not digested in our body. Thus, while we consume these foods, we feel gastric and bloated. I would suggest you steam these vegetables before consuming them, or better ferment these vegetables like cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli to get most of their nutrients without the ill effects of bloating. Hope you would have liked my video, and for more informative videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Here's Varun Beg, your keto coach, signing off. Thanks. And